also going to be inaugurated the third quarter this year. So we are pursuing the steel investments, but I think that the big ultimate goal that you're talking about, which is now a full-sized smelter, is something that's in the pipeline, and that
We also have with us from the Department of Information and Communications Technology, Undersecretary Jeffrey Ian Lee. And for the Department of Energy, we have Assistant Secretary Mario Marasigan. And to moderate this session, we have with us today the Global Head of Realist Assets Group for Standard Chartered Bank, Mr. Shikhar Jain.
Wala pa pinag-usapan pa na. Pero tingin ko na yung existing alignment pa rin ang pinagkunan natin. Kasi ang request ng city government, ilipat dahil sabi niya congested daw yung area. At pinag-aaralan mo kikiyan ng rail sector at ng San Miguel. Kung dapat bang ilipat o hindi. So, kung naman yan, this will be implemented pa naman after the operation of MRT-7 from North Avenue to Laguna. Yun lang muna muna. Tapos yung susunod doon is sa Caloocan na yun. No? So yung San Jose del Monte is maybe 2 years later. So, pinag-aaralan natin mabuti kung i-realign. Pero kasi meron ng approved alignment. It will take, it will cost another study, baka ma-delay pa kung i-realign. Pero mag-aaralan mabuti.
Sir, wala siyang impact dun sa current na parang start yung target natin to start the partial operation. Wala na.
Wala. Kasi yung partial operation naman natin will be from North Avenue to Laguna. In fact, I was there last week. Tinignan namin yung depot and so far mukhang on time naman yung construction.
Sir, kung i-realign natin, sir, mga ilang years yung delay?
Siguro hindi man masyado rin kasi hindi pa naman nag-start yung construction mo rin. Siguro ang magbabago tayo kasi kung i-realign natin, kakaroon ng change in cost, change in scope, babalik tayo sa kanila.
Sir, are we still on track for the MRT-7?
Yes. As far as North Avenue to Laguna operation is concerned, we're on track.
What causes the delay?
Wala namang delay. Ang madidelay kung ililipat natin yung station sa San Jose del Monte, which is wala pa namang decision. Yun naman mag-operation siguro after 2 years, no? As scheduled.
Okay lang, bagong line ba yung sa Luzon Economic Corridor? Yung Subic, Clark, Manila, Batangas?
Yes. Kasi ang approved line lang natin ay Subic to Clark. But we will extend it to Manila and then to Batangas.
One line na.
One line. No?
So, who will be doing the master plan?
Actually, we will be preparing a new feasibility study. No? We're in the process of procuring the consultant who will prepare the feasibility study. No? So hopefully in a few weeks or a few months, we will start the procurement na nung gagawa ng feasibility study pa natin.